Everybody to the channel. I'm going to be your host on this great journey that we're going to be having to make a lot of people happy. So what we've been doing on this channel is we're going to be getting salvage title cars, motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, whatever. And we're going to be restoring them back to road legal specifications, and we're going to be giving them away to you guys. Not every car that I do on this channel is going to be part of that giveaway, and some cars are going to be Patreon only giveaways. So and what else? And we're not just gonna be doing just those giveaways. We're also going to be modifying cars by doing engine swaps, turbocharging, supercharging, exhaust swaps, and the likes of that. I'm also gonna be showing you guys how to do stuff like oil change, tire rotations, and anything else you guys might want to know how to do. And this is going to be something that I'm going to be trying to do full time, and I want to get the channel to the point where we're giving away a car just about every other month. So and I want to be able to give people the chance to may get their dream car, first car, the car that they've been wanting to make into a project car. And you guys will have input on what goes into the car, what type of engines y'all want to see put in the car, what type of mufflers, what type of exhaust systems, whatnot. And those cars will also be part of the giveaways. Any tuned up cars are going to be dynoing, track, whatnot. And then so this is going to be a very big project that I want to do with this channel. It's going to be very time extensive and whatnot, and so you guys can support the channel by subscribing, by being part of by subscribing, watching the videos, sharing them around. And if you want to support the channel further, I'm gonna try to get a merchandise store up eventually, somewhere down the road. And I actually do have a Patreon that you guys can support. You don't have to do anything but just $1, and you guys will be helping out a lot. So hitting that like button is also a plus. Yeah. So we're gonna get down to it, and we're gonna make these videos great. Boy.